Laundry is something that everyone needs to do on a regular basis, so it's actually a super easy entry point to living and acting more sustainably. I'm Corinna Williams.
And I'm Teresa Williams.
We're clearly sisters and we're co-founders of Celsius. Celsius is a premium sustainable garment care provider, and we're also New York's first concept laundromat.
With a few simple tweaks, we believe that everybody can have an impact.
So we recommend using a very simple and clean detergent. The one we use here at Celsius is 3 ingredients only: baking soda, washing soda, and vegetable soap. That's really all you need.
When it comes to taking care of your bedding in a sustainable way, you're really balancing 2 things. Hot water is going to be able to give you better cleaning result, but will be responsible for the majority of the energy usage. What we recommend is alternating between cold washes and only using warm or occasionally hot wash when your bedding is really heavily soiled. Hand drying is definitely the most sustainable options for a few reasons. First of all, you don't need any additional energy to get your clothes dry. Second of all, hand drying will preserve your fibers for longer because there's no damage through heat. And lastly, if you're fortunate enough to be able to dry outside in the sun, the UV rays will actually kill bacteria, which is great for odor control. They can brighten whites and even remove some stains. If you're drying in a machine, don't worry, just use a low heat setting to preserve the fibers and make sure that your items last for as long as possible.
Dryer balls are a great alternative to dryer sheets, which are often laced in toxic fabric softeners.
You can use dryer balls hundreds, if not thousands of times. They will speed up your dry, which saves you time and energy. They will decrease wrinkles, soften your laundry, and even remove static.
Sustainable laundry care can actually be a lot more cost-effective and a lot simpler than laundry as we know it.